In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly in Microsoft Outlook. We'll keep things simple and use the official Grammarly extension for Google Chrome so your writing gets real-time suggestions directly inside Outlook on the web. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly extension for Chrome. This is the fastest way to get to the official listing. In the results, look for the Chrome Web Store page for Grammarly. It should clearly indicate that it's the Grammarly extension and show it's from the official publisher. Avoid third-party download sites. The Chrome Web Store is the safest and most reliable place to install browser extensions. Click into the Chrome Web Store result to open the Grammarly listing. On that page, select Add to Chrome, and when the browser asks for confirmation, click Add Extension. The download only takes a moment. Once installed, Chrome may show a brief confirmation, and you might see the Grammarly icon near the top of your browser. That's a good sign everything is ready to go. Keep in mind that Grammarly analyzes the text you type so it can suggest improvements. You can control when and where it's active from the extension's icon if you ever want to pause it on a specific site. Now, go to the Microsoft Outlook website in your browser. You can use the regular Outlook web experience. Once the page loads, click New Mail to open a fresh message window. This is where Grammarly starts helping automatically. Begin typing your email. You should notice subtle underlines appear beneath potential issues, such as spelling mistakes, grammar errors, and style suggestions. Look for the small Grammarly icon in the corner of the Compose box. Clicking it opens a panel where you can review recommendations in more detail. Each suggestion will explain what's being improved, things like punctuation, word choice, or sentence clarity, so you can accept the fix or dismiss it if it doesn't fit your tone. You remain in control of every change. If you don't immediately see the underlines, give the page a quick refresh and make sure the extension is enabled in your browser. Also confirm you're composing directly in the Outlook web editor rather than in plain text mode, since Grammarly works best in rich text fields. That's all there is to it. You searched for the Grammarly extension, installed it from the Chrome Web Store, opened Outlook on the web, and started writing with real-time help. With this setup, your emails will be clearer, more polished, and more professional with virtually no extra effort. Happy writing!